Hey, it's Mark Mason from MasonWorld.com. Again, I'm on the freeway in Dallas. I seem to be making more video on the freeway than I make in my house, but hey, I'm sitting here and I got some time, so you get what you get. My previous video, I talked to you, or in a previous video, I talked to you about this idea of the fully automated website and how you might be able to do that. And I talked about using some of these tools that John Leger has put out there for particularly Article Builder and Keyword Canine, and trying to figure out if you could build really a sort of a completely automated website. John's recently added some features to Keyword Canine that automatically monetize it with ClickBank. And so I thought it would be really interesting to go ahead and create one of these sites, identify a niche, and just disclose the whole thing to you so you could see what I were going to do if I did this. And the goal of this is to try and create something just with the minimum amount of work. Try to automate as much of the SEO and promotion of the site as possible. Of course, automate the content and just let the thing roll, and then report to you what happens. See if we can make any money and see if we can get any traffic. So that's what we're going to do. So I've done the initial research in Keyword Canine. You can find Keyword Canine at keywordcanine.com. If you want to use my affiliate link to go look at Keyword Canine as a way to support this activity, that'd be great. It's at masonworld.com/KC, but know that if you do that, of course, I get a commission if you decide to buy the product. Don't need to do that, but you're welcome to if you want to. When I looked in Keyword Canine, what I was looking for was a niche that was also supported in articlebuilder.com. Article Builder, as you'll recall, is this tool that automatically generates articles that are essentially very high quality private label rights content that is mostly unique. And by unique, I mean not used elsewhere on the internet. You can find out about that at articlebuilder.com, or you can again use my affiliate link at masonworld.com/AB, AB for Article Builder. And so I was able to find a niche that was kind of interesting to me. It was the snoring niche. Now, I know a lot of you are laughing. If my wife is watching this, she's thrilled because I snore, and she'd probably like a solution for that. And so what I decided to do was use Keyword Canine to identify a snoring keyword that I thought I could rank for, and then build a website around that keyword and automatically populate it with content from Article Builder on an automatic basis, and then do some promotion and see what happens. So that's what I'm going to do. I've already registered the domain. I've already started building the website. I'm actually having my virtual assistant very simply install thesis, some disclaimers and terms and conditions and the kind of stuff that you need on any website, and I'm ordering one article, one really good solid article for the front page of the site that's completely unique, that matches the main keyword that I'm going after. It's optimized for that keyword, and I'm going to I've ordered that from MediaPiston.com. And if you're looking for good content, it's not super cheap, but it's super high quality. MediaPiston.com, or again, if you want to use my affiliate link, would be masonworld.com/MP for Media Piston. That is some really good stuff, and you'll really like the quality of that. Again, it's not cheap, but if you're just ordering one main article for a site, that's great. So the keyword that I'm attacking is snoring solutions. So that's a keyword that, according to Article Builder, is available. There was a related domain name, not an exact match domain name, but a good domain name with snoring solutions in the URL that I was able to identify. I registered that domain. I've got the site up and running, and I'll disclose that domain to you at a later date. I don't want to completely contaminate these results by letting you know the exact domain name, but I promise I will reveal it to you in the future after I have things up and running and we get a baseline for the traffic. So decided to go ahead and do this. Got the Snoring Niche up and running. I've got one piece of content ordered. By the way, it's an 850 word article by a writer that I've used before. I'm paying $23 for that article, so you can see it's not super cheap, but I think you'll be impressed by the quality. And I've asked her to write an article that talks about the different types of snoring solutions that are available in the marketplace. Snoring surgery, snoring medicine, snoring devices, snoring mouthpieces. You get the idea. And my idea is, if this takes off and I'm able to win that keyword, snoring solutions, I can drill down and add more content to the site if it looks like we've got a winner, and I can focus on snoring mouthpieces, for example, which is a really lucrative niche. These are these things that you wear when you sleep so that you don't snore and so forth. So that's the idea. The other thing that's really good about snoring is it's a really good, it looks like it's really good for AdSense. It looks like AdSense might pay as much as a couple of dollars a click in certain cases. I don't plan to use AdSense for this site, but that's another thing to consider. So that's my plan. Look for future videos for me on this topic about once a week, once every 2 weeks, and we'll just keep track of it and see where it goes. Again, I'm Mark Mason at masonworld.com. I'm getting off the freeway now, so I guess I'll go ahead and let you go, and I'm going to pull into my day job here and see if I can't get some other work done. Have a great day, and peace out.